Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and manage Xing privacy settings. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and go ahead and search for Xing. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and make sure you are logged in into your account. Now go ahead and click on setting by clicking on your profile icon on the top right hand and click on privacy. Once you've done that, as you can see, there are a lot of things that you can go ahead and do. So first thing is going to be findability. So do you want to make your profile publicly visible? You can turn that off if you want to, or you could also turn it on if you want to. And once you've done that, you can also go ahead and look at blocked members. Standard view, you can simply go ahead and what I want my profile visitors to see first, either your profile details or portfolio. You can go ahead and select that as well. And once you've done that, portfolio visible to, you can go ahead and choose who it is going to be visible to as well. Date of birth visible to no one or any people that you can go ahead and choose right there. Contact data, you can go ahead and choose as well who can contact you, who can't, and so on. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you in the next one.